Today, lawyers for ICE protesters and people living in the South Waterfront area of Portland made their case before a federal appeals court.
This comes after the same court granted President Trump's request to pause court orders that limited the use of chemical munitions by federal agents at Portland's ICE facility.
Fox 12's Julia Lopez is live from the South Waterfront for us tonight. Julia, what can you tell us?
Well, the ICE facility is quiet today, but I've been here when crowds of hundreds have been met with tear gas, often seeping into this apartment building. Today, lawyers asked federal judges to maintain limitations on uses of force when protests are peaceful, but the judges panel had questions. Two lawsuits seeking to limit the use of chemical munitions like tear gas and pepper spray at Portland's ICE facility are being heard in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals this week. This is after federal judges in Portland granted injunctions to limit uses of force by DHS without imminent threats, siding with protesters who say their First Amendment rights are being violated and residents of Gray's Landing across the street reporting health concerns from exposure to gas.
We're talking about acute respiratory distress, chemical burns, chronic coughing, heart palpitations, severe PTSD episodes. Children who were healthy before are being exposed to this chemical munitions campaign and now have to take daily medication.
The Trump administration immediately appealed those decisions.
Hundreds, if not thousands, of protesters repeatedly tried to storm the facility, blocked federal vehicles from entering or exiting, built barricades in the street, including in one instance by erecting a prop guillotine, attacked DHS officers with improvised projectiles, showed up with bats, shields, ballistic vests, threw fireworks at the facility. None of that appears in the district court's decision.
The Ninth Circuit Court did grant that appeal, pausing limitations and questioning the scope of the injunctions. And today they heard from all sides.
There's no First Amendment right to commit vandalism or impede law enforcement. It seems the injunction was just way too broad.
In particular, Judge Simon had found that this was a pattern and actually a policy of retaliation since June 2025.
Kimberly Hutchison, hired by the ACLU to represent protesters, is confident in the injunction, which described a, quote, unwritten policy of using force in peaceful demonstrations by FPS.
I also watched the videos and I found them to be quite disturbing. Hawkins' declaration, you had a protester shot in the eye. I just don't know how we're justifying this.
I'm told the Ninth Circuit judges are expected to announce their decision later this week. In the meantime, agents are allowed to use tear gas at the facility once again, but it has not been deployed since February. Reporting live from the South Waterfront, Julia Lopez, Fox 12 Oregon.